Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. I am back down in my basement, as you can see. We have a couple of 3 boxes to open up for you. One from Pawn Shop Finds and one from, I believe it said Jesse's Edge. Okay. From Whatnot, and I also got this little box from AliExpress. So let me get back to y'all in a minute. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Yes, it's Jesse's Edge 20. I think that's what it said, from Whatnot. The 2 big boxes are from Whatnot. Pawn Shop Finds and Jesse's Edge. All links will be down below. Mine, sign up through that. Get yourself $10 in-app credit. And then go find Jesse's Edge and Pawn Shop Finds and favorite them, and then you can see what you want for diecast cars, or search whatever interests you. I'm sure they'll have it on there. So let me get to this video. Alright, this is Jesse's Edge, from Jesse's Edge. Wow, this is the cleanest box I've ever opened up. Wow. Well, it's not really open yet. And it's clean rip. Oh, well, there's a little tear in box, but hey, no. Sorry, Pawn Shop Finds, that was your box. Well, my box, but all right. Jesse Edge 22. All right, here we go. What did I get? Oh, only 2 items. All right. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. In 1972 AMC Javelin. That's a very nice car. I like that. Oh my gosh. That's very nice. I didn't realize I got that. I haven't really been on Whatnot for a few, but trying to not go on there all the time. It's an addiction, and spend too much money. All right, here we go. Here goes Street Freaks, a 1950 Mercury Woody wagon. That's freaking awesome. I like this very much. The card a little messed up, but it's alright. That's really nice, Jelly Beans. I like that a lot. I like it all. gonna be a long video. Alright, hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, jelly beans, I am back with the second box. Alright. Pawn shop finds is up next. Very busy day at work today. Extremely tired. Pawn shop finds, everybody. If any cards are bent, it's my fault because I dropped the box a couple of times. Finally open. Oh wow. Nicely packaged. Pawn shop finds, everybody. Ooh, ooh. Here we go, here we go. There's a 1965 Ford Mustang. Racing Champions. It's 1 out of 9,999. It's very nice. I like this. I like this. Very nice. Alright, what do we got here? A 1957 Plymouth Fury. Racing Champions, mint. 1 out of 9,999. It's a nice Plymouth Fury. Movable parts on both this and the Mustang. Ooh, ooh, boy, here it goes. Yeah, it's my fault. 1957 Chevy Nomad. Ooh, very nice car. I like that. I likey. There's a 1956 Chevy Nomad, Johnny Lightning. Oh wow, try Chevy, 55, 56, and 57. Wonder if I got the 55, because this is the 56. I had showed you the 57. Ooh, I like that. Movable parts as well. Here's something other than Chevy. There's a Mopar. '69 Dodge Coronet. A very nice car. I don't know why I'm showing an AliExpress car last, but sorry. Here's a 1964 Ford Thunderbolt from Concept and Muscle Racing Champions. That's a pretty sick car. I like that. There's a 62 Belvedere. Message from y'all from my niece. This is a very nice car. 62 Chevy Belvedere. Tiny E. Ah. What we got here? 1966 Buick Skylark. Go back in. Very nice car here too. Very nice car here. Buick Skylark. I like them. Excuse me. Oh, more cars. Oh, what is this? What is this? Rebel Rods. A cheetah. That's what I'm going to go with. A cheetah. Very nice. I like this. I don't know why I bid it on it, but it's pretty sick. I like it. I like it. It was weird. That's why I bid it on it. I like weird things. Alright, here we go. 1954 Chevy Corvair. That's a very nice car. I like that. Sorry, I'm tired. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. It's August something. Hold on. 19th. 5:45, 4 p.m. I've been up for a while. Alright, here we go. What we got here? Oh, hold on. Here is $1958 Ford Thunder Chicken. Thunderbird. Another nice car. Thank you, Jesse Edge and Pawn Shop Finds. What is this? Here's a 1959 DeSoto by Chrysler. That's a very nice car. I like this. I like all the vehicles they just got. Surprisingly, not one of them an M2. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you all for watching. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind. I forgot something. AliExpress. I want to open this up, see what this is, because I actually forgot what I got from AliExpress. I know it's a car. thing, man. Ooh. Anybody want any Planters nuts? This video did not go without an M2. I knew it was an M2, but this is freaking awesome. Oh my god. I just gotta get that sticker off there. Oh my gosh, it's freaking nice. Oh my god, that's so nice. Not bad for $6, huh? Planters nuts. It's a 1954 Studebaker 3R truck. I have to find a way to get that sticker off. So anyway, jelly beans, thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Please check out the whatnot links down below. Have a good day. Peace!